What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be going over the cars and my new camera. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm outside right now with the new camera. I'm using the Canon EOS M3. It's a mirrorless camera. I do not have an external mic on it right now. I got to get the little cat hair thing for the wind because it is windy. So hopefully the factory mic does real good. But we're going to check out the cars as from the last video. That was about 2 or 3 weeks ago I made that video. I just published it. It was like 2 or 3 days ago, 4 days ago. So we're going to check it out and we're going to test the camera out and see how good it works. Let me flip you guys around. Flip the screen. So here's the BMW. Notice anything cool going on? We're gonna focus in. Battery's gonna die soon. Might have to hold off on this, but see the wheel fitment. Basically, I got these on a trade. They're converted to 5x1 14.3. If you guys can see the spacers. And I just stretched some tires on there, actually new tires. And then we rolled the fenders. You can kind of see the paint peeling. We don't care, we're going to paint it, but fitment's real good. So that's a pretty good update with the front, so we haven't got to. We got to get some tires. Right now it's still rocking some BMW wheels. And probably the biggest thing you guys are going to notice, front end's done. Woo woo. So it's see a gander at what's underneath here. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Be right back, guys. Alright, so we're back. Pop the hood on this sucker. Oops. Forgot the hood sticks a little bit. Yeah, we'll fix that. So there she is. The engine is now in. We still gotta do the headlights. The newer intake, the old one used to go down into there, will not work. As for you can see the tires and everything, and I'd kick up water. And the headers. Those things are nice and gold, and I don't know if you can see them. The motor mounts. We got some poly motor mounts. Rev Sport or something like that. Rev Motion. I don't know. They're expensive. Yeah, look at it. It's pretty. We've already had that one drift event. We didn't get to finish any of the footage or anything. Basically, we tried drifting it with the factory LSD. It's done. It won't drift for shit. You have to throw the car so hard in order to get to drift. In the rain, freaking awesome. It'll drift great in the rain. Just like a little paint flick off. We'll fix all that. I don't remember if we just had anything about that, but got the NRG quick release and adapter. We got a temporary steering wheel and a 6-speed neochrome shift knob that has been threaded, so that way you don't get, if anyone knows BMWs, they know they got a weird ass shift knob. It's not threaded. So yeah, there's that. This car is Zach's car. If you remember the white 318 Ti with the M50 swap, this is his new car. It's going to be set up for drifting. Actually, if you look at the other side, he's already Ryan Turking it. We didn't get that far. We only got the one wheel. And just for some noticing that no tires over here anymore, just the trailer, because they're up there now. The city was bitching about it because of the fact the yard looks like a mess. So we put them all on the deck. Moved the Hyundai to over here. And we're working on getting rid of the BMW. This one right there. Because the city was bitching about it too. Still haven't done nothing with the Arc 7. We cleaned, notice we cleaned all the mess over there. We'll go in the garage real quick. Bumpers need chopped up, thrown out. Working on cleaning the garage. It's all cleaned out. We're getting ready to get the Lexus in here. One thing that's really cool from previous videos, I remember, I'm sure you all do, I always complained about the lighting. Check it out. We got 1, 2, focus, anyway, 3 and 4. We got way better lighting. And Lexus, I remember saying we had cut a hole in the hood. Here's the hood vent. I have bought 3 hood vents. This is number 3. I can tell you all, if you all want to know, the best quality hood vent is version select. You can get it from a Juku, but it's really weird how you try to order it because you can't just click order or buy. So I ordered it straight through version select. They're extremely high quality. I've bought fine line tuning, which is the second best. And if you're really balling on a budget, then you can go with the Duraflex. That thing needs a lot of attention. The fine line doesn't. You have to cut the holes in it, like these holes. On the version select, you don't. They come cut, if you notice. They got the vent chicken wire. But yeah, so if you guys want the best quality hood vent, version select all the way. Now I know there's definitely way better, but they're way harder to get. And that would be like D-Max and Euros. They have way better quality, but you're talking about trying to find them and get them imported from Japan and not pay $400+ for them imported, or find somebody that's got one that's in good shape, or even step it down and get one that's used. So yeah, the best way to go is to go with the version select. Quality's top notch. I've already spent like $300 or $400 on all these. So to save you guys time, just buy the version select and call it a day. Don't do what I did. It was a pain in the ass. But yeah, hopefully this camera's working good for you guys. Hopefully it's coming in clear. It's getting a little hard to get used to, but I'll work through it. It's really hot and humid, just rained. I'm not using the external mic. I'll try that out on another video. It's really hard not to look at that screen on top. I look at it and I obviously don't look at you guys, so it makes it really hard. I gotta do some Casey Neistat stuff, which is wear glasses so that way you can't tell I'm looking at it. Or you can try this. Let's see. Let's try. Let's see if I can do this. See if I can do this. Look at the wing. We're ready at the Hoonigan plate. Alright, take it easy guys, and peace.